Hi, Jack here from Ontrack. In this video, I'll be running through Ontrack PowerControls Administrative Server. If your enterprise receives frequent e-discovery requests, Ontrack PowerControls allows you to collect mailboxes without having to restore the entire backup. Enterprises are subject to regulations, to which they must ensure and be able to prove compliance through auditing and reporting. The Ontrack Administrative Server module allows enterprises to control and report who accesses email data. This powerful e-discovery tool allows you to meet your auditing and reporting requirements. Let's take a closer look at how.
Set up role-based permissions to determine who can access which mailboxes. As an example, not every admin should be able to access the contents of the CEO's mailbox. Then set up the logging, auditing, and reporting so you can report on who used Ontrack PowerControls, what functions they performed, what data they accessed, and when. Achieve control and compliance whilst using the most efficient, forensically sound tool for email collection.
Ontrack is part of KL Discovery, a top provider of e-discovery solutions. We offer Nebula Big Data Store, a centralized archive for email and other enterprise data for compliance in e-discovery. When you do have a case, we provide a seamless path to processing through Nebula or Relativity hosting and managed review solutions. I do hope that you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below or send an email to marketing@ontrack.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.